Hi guys, it's Sweet Lady. I'm back with week 2 of my 50 days fast. Let's get started with day 1 food. I'm breaking my fast with beetroot smoothie. It's been 1 hour 30 minutes after that, so I'm going to have my sweet potato soup. And of course, I'll be posting a video of how I made this soup later on this channel. Today I'm breaking my fast with oats. So I'm gonna add a little milk and then I will have that. Interestingly, I feel very full just by taking the oats. So I'm not gonna have any soup. I will just have this for dinner. I'll post a video on how I made this pork patty salad later on this channel. I grilled this chicken today. I also made tomato sauce to go with it. I'm the only one fasting, but I still have to make sure there's something there for them. Even though I'm not really eating too much of the stews. Yeah. This is probably the best smoothie I've done so far. This is banana and natural yogurt. It tastes very nice. Today's portion size is not bad. I think the last 2 days, anytime I wake up in the morning, I feel so full. I don't know whether it's the type of vegetables I use for the salad or it's just the portion size. So today I've just decided to keep it at a minimum and see how it will make me feel. Hopefully I shouldn't feel bloated when I wake up in the morning. This is lovely. It's not too much. It's just perfect. Again, I'll be posting a video of how I made a salad, so please keep an eye on my channel. It's day 11 of the fast. So literally 4 days into week 2. And I've got a very interesting story to tell you guys. It's gonna sound a bit disgusting, but it's part of the journey. So it's important that I share it so that those of you who are journeying along you will not be too surprised if something like that happens to you. Today I woke up with this pressing need to use the loo. So I tried to go and I realized that I was constipated. So I had to push and eventually it came out and it was so heavy, hard, to the extent that when I tried to flush, I flushed twice, it couldn't flush, and I had to even fetch water into the bucket and flush and it would not flush. I really struggled to get it down. So I was thinking, but how come? Because I've been taking a lot of salads, so there should be enough fiber in my food to prevent any constipation. And my husband was telling me that maybe I'm not having enough fruits because there is more fiber in fruit than vegetables. Which, funny enough, from day 8 and 9, I had a large portion of salad. So anytime I woke up in the morning, I felt very full. And so I thought maybe I should start reducing the portion size. So yesterday I tried to reduce the portion size. So this morning, when I did that big poo, I felt so light. It's like I started feeling very, very hungry. So I thought, okay, is it because I was constipated? That's why I was feeling very full and bloated, because I was not hungry until now. So it's almost like immediately everything came out of my system. There's just this hunger spike. And actually, since we started the fast, I've not been this hungry. So today, I've so much struggled to fast. I've been determined to finish at 6 o'clock, to finish at 6 p.m. So I tried to push through, and at some point I was thinking, I don't know if I'm even going to be able to pray because I didn't have enough strength. But God was merciful. I think probably today is also one of the days I prayed a lot, which is interesting. So yeah, that is a story. I'm sorry I'm talking about poo, but you know, it is what it is. I'm going to try and add food items which will help me not to be constipated. You are invited to my dinner for day 11. Hi guys, it's day 13 of the fast. We are making progress. Week 2 is literally almost done. Yesterday, which was Friday, I did a 24-hour fast. I broke it this morning. It's Saturday around 7:20. I still have part of the smoothie that I made left. It's almost 10 a.m. So I'm gonna have that one as my next meal. I'm just going to be taking smoothies or anything liquid, water, you know, throughout the day. And tomorrow, the fast continues. This time around, it seems like the 24-hour fast was a little bit easier. Maybe because it's been a long time. I did a 24-hour fast. So when I did the first one, I struggled a bit, but yeah, I think yesterday it was not that bad. Prophet has not asked for a 3 days fast yet, so fingers crossed. I'm just being hopeful that by the time we get to that stage, God will give me grace to push through successfully. This is my next meal. It's kiwi, apple, pear, plum, and almonds. This is my last smoothie for the day. I'm going to have the rest of the sweet potato soup for my dinner. It's the last day of week 2 and I'm breaking my fast with oats and banana. I've added a little milk to it. This is my dinner, tuna salad. Anytime I have oats, it keeps me very full. So I'm having a late dinner. I hope I've been able to inspire you with some ideas of meals you can have on your weight loss journey. I'll see you in week 3.